Hey guys, welcome to AI Face Fusion, and in this video I will be giving you a detailed demo on how simple and easy it is for you guys to get started with this brilliant software. So I'm inside the members area right over here inside the dashboard, and you can see the total number of AI images that you have searched for, the total videos that you have generated, and the total gallery images are going to be listed right over here. Recent leads that you have captured are going to be listed right over here. Videos created in the last 7 days is going to give you the exact graph with MI report. And we have got the latest gallery images that you have searched for are going to be listed down over here. Latest created videos are going to be listed right over here for you guys, and then on the top of the page you have got the project training. The training that I'm giving right now will be listed in this particular section. Your bonuses are listed right over here in this particular section, and you've got a wide range of language selection, and the list is very long. So let's get started on the easy mode by creating a video on AI Face Fusion. So I'm going to click on this easy mode right over here, and this is going to take me to the list of create a new video. And once we are done with the video will be saved in this particular section for easy mode. So let's get started and hit the create video button, and right over here in this particular section it will ask you to enter a title of the video that you are creating. So for demo purposes I'm just going to name the video as demo easy mode 123, and hit continue right over here. And in this section it tells you to provide an image with clear face, only a human or AI generated image where face can be clearly identified. So all you have to do is select the image from your system. So I'm just going to hit on this and select a clear image. So make sure that the image is uploaded. So once the image is uploaded you won't see any loading sign over here, and once the image is uploaded hit continue, and in this particular section you get the option to add a text. So all you have to do is just click on this particular button, and once you do, this will take you to this section. If you have got your own text, then you can enter the text right over here, and if you want ChatGPT to generate the content for you, the text for you, all you have to do is just put a text right over here. And I'm just going to put a text which is pre-populated. So 100-word script to sell my personal training services to men in their 40s, and I'm just going to hit on generate text, and with the help of ChatGPT 4 this is going to generate the text for me right over here. So are you tired of feeling out of shape and lacking energy in your 40s? So this is an absolute brilliant script that has been generated. If you want to add anything to this you just add that over here, and once you're happy with the content you can just select the section over here. I'm just going to leave that as standard, and we have got a language selection or accent selection, so I'm just going to keep that as US English. And then I've got a list of people who are going to read my script, so I'm just going to list that to Samuel right over here, and hit generate audio. So make sure that you're happy with the content, make sure you read the content, and make sure everything is correct. And if you want to correct that add in text as I've just did, you can do that as well. And I'm just going to hit on generate audio. So within no time, with the help of ChatGPT 4, my audio is going to get generated right over here. So
Are you tired of feeling out of shape and lacking energy in your 40s? It's time to take control of your health and fitness with personalized training sessions.
So that content is amazing, and that has actually generated me my audio. And if I want the subtitles, I'm just gonna hit add subtitles. So my video that is going to play the audio will also have the subtitle to it, and all you have to do is just hit submit. So that's all done for you guys. So it's successfully saved your video, and over here it says the data has been saved successfully. Your video will be rendering between few minutes. It can take say about 10 to 30 minutes depending on how busy the server is. Maximum time is going to take is up to 12 to 24 hours. That is when, if the server is very busy, usually that gets done in say about 10 to 30 minutes. So do not delete the file whilst it's rendering. So once I hit on save, it will take me to the list which is under the easy mode, and right over here as you can see, it says status pending, and the video that we have saved is actually in process. So please do not delete the video, let it render and get ready in that duration. And over here I did save another video just before I started doing the demo for AI Face Fusion, so you can see how amazing the video is, and you can see the you can also see the subtitles that's been saved, and you can see that the video is done really well. So you can actually click on this particular button over here to download that and save that on the system. And if you want to make any changes, any edits to that specific video, so you just click on this edit button, download it, and you can delete that. So let's move to the next section, and once I cover the advanced and hyper mode, I will come back to the editing of this particular video. So stay tuned, guys. So I'll be moving now to the next section over here, which is the advanced mode. So once I click on advanced mode, all I have to do is just create a video again, and once I'm over here, all I have to do is just put the name of that video. So I'm just gonna name that as demo advanced mode 1 2 3, and when I hit next, it gives me an option to upload the video or the image by using obviously this particular function over here, which is add by using the image. And once I add the image, it will take me to the next section. But you can also use the image by using your front camera of your laptop or your webcam. And the other option is you can also upload that from the image gallery. So you have got several options on this one. I've uploaded my image over here. I'll just hit on continue to the next page. Now in this particular section, you can actually record your audio. It gives you an option. As I'm recording this demo, I can actually record my own audio and give my own voice to the video that I'm generating. And also the standard option that we had in easy mode, text to audio. So I'm just gonna go to ChatGPT over here, and I'm just gonna select this particular option over here in 20. So 100-word script to sell my personal training services to women in their 30s. And once I hit generate text, again ChatGPT 4 is going to get to work, and in no time, absolutely no time at all, it has actually generated me the entire script. So if you want to make any changes right over here, you can do so. And again, I'm just going to list that at standard. Over here again, you've got a wide selection of language, and I'm just going to select Harry this time, and or rather Sophia this time, and hit generate audio. And once I generate audio, it will automatically save the audio right over here.
Are you a busy woman in your 30s looking to take control of your health and fitness?
So it is absolutely crisp and clear. And right over here, it also gives me an option to add the subtitle. So once I hit on this, it will give me the exact time of the subtitle. So let it generate the subtitle. So over here, it gives me from what time to what time that particular subtitle has been generated. And now it also gives me an option for the color scheme right over here, and I can actually select the color scheme. So I'm just going to keep that as standard. And once I'm done with that, I'm just going to minimize that. And the next particular option that I have over here is to add background music. So you can actually select that from the gallery if you want to select a background music on what you're saying. And you can use this, and you can listen to the background music. If you're happy with that smooth acoustic guitar, you just use that. And once that is done, it gives you how loud you want that to be. And I'm just going to keep that to minimum 20% because I want people to listen to the content or the audio. And once I'm done with that, I'm just going to minimize that. And that's all saved for you with the music. And I'm just going to hit on submit, and within no time this is going to get saved for you. So the data has been successfully saved. And again, this can take between 10 to 30 minutes depending on how busy the server is. It can take up to 12 to 24 hours depending on if the server is very, very busy with a lot of load on it. So let's just move to the next section now. So if I press OK, this will take me to the gallery of the advanced mode, and within no time that will get saved. So let's just check the previous one that we generated. So it is under process, so within say about some more time that will get done. So we'll get back to that one, and let's move to the next section right over here, which is the hyper mode. Now in hyper mode, again, we need to get started by creating the video. So I'm going to click on create a video, and I'm going to name the video right over here as demo hyper mode 1 2 3. And once I do that, in this now it gives you an option to have a background image. So whatever image that you're generating, that can now have the background image at the back. So if you want to select that from your gallery, you are happy to do so. If you want to use the background, so AI background with the help of AI, I'm just gonna select AI background. So these are all AI backgrounds. So if you want an office background, I'm just going to put office background over here and search for office background. So if you're happy with any office background, you just select that particular option. And I'm just going to select, when you've got lots of options, you're spoiled for choice. So I'm just going to select this particular option over here. And yeah, I'm happy with that background, and I am just going to hit continue to the next section. Again, you can select the AI image from the gallery right over here. Use your front camera or upload an image using this particular section right over here. So I'm just going to select my image right over here and hit continue. And in this particular section, again, it gives me an option to add an audio file, record the audio as I'm doing right now, And again, it gives me an option to text to audio, so I'm just going to put that down over here. And let's generate text right over here. ChatGPT 4 is absolutely amazing, generates text in no time. So I'm just going to put thank you over here and select Amelia's voice and generate audio. And in no time, the audio is generated.
Hello, lovely ladies in your 50s. Are you ready to feel strong, confident, and beautiful?
How amazing is that? And right over here, I will get an option to add subtitles. So I'm just going to add subtitles to this. Keep the standard color scheme right over here. So my subtitles are generated in no time. And again, it gives you an option to increase or decrease the text. So you can play with that. And once you're happy with that, minimize that. And if you want to add a background music, if you have got an audio file, you can upload that. If not, then use the audio section over here. So I quite liked the acoustic guitar over here, which is really nice and smooth. So I'll just select that option over here, keep that to minimum, and hit submit. So that's saved successfully, and the data will successfully be processed in 10 to 30 minutes, depending on how busy the server is. It can take from 12 to 24 hours if the server is very, very busy. So again, I'm just going to hit on OK, and it will take me to this particular section over here, and it says the video is rendering. So I'm just going to leave that as is and go back to the easy mode and check if the first video that we did is completed or not. Brilliant. Yeah, so the video is completed right over here.
Feeling out of shape and lacking energy in your 40s?
So right over here,
It's time
as you can see, the subtitles are saved, and along with the subtitles, you know, the video is saved.
fitness with personalized training.
It's absolutely amazing. And if I want to make any changes or any edits, all I have to do is just click on this particular button which says edit the video, and if I'm happy with this, I'm just going to go over here and I'm just going to pause the video, and you can see how brilliant it is. So you can add text to it, add typography to it, add elements to it, add media files to it. You can save that as per the aspect ratio, and if you're happy with that, you just submit and move on to the next section. So I'm just gonna, save that as, using the editor. I've not done any edits, but it was just to show you what all things you can add is absolutely phenomenal. And it's exactly the same for the videos that you have generated using the advanced mode. So the advanced mode video has been selected over here, and right over here I have also selected the hyper mode over here, and again that will get generated within no time. So it's next to render, so the server is quite fast. So it is generating in between, say, about 10 minutes to 30 minutes, or less than 30 minutes basically, so depending on how busy the server is. And the next section now, guys, is the AI image generator. So if I go on this AI image generator, it gives me an option, obviously, to generate image using AI. I'm just gonna put a standard prompt over here. The more detailed the prompt is, the more better results you are going to get. So I'm just gonna hit generate image on this one, and in no time the image is going to get generated with the help of ChatGPT 4. So right over here I've got the image generated. If you're not happy with the image, again, you can click the same button and it will regenerate the image. And if you are happy with the generated image, all you have to do is just download that or save to the gallery. So once you click on save to the gallery, it will go to the gallery right over here. And the next option that I have over here is the background remover. And if you have got any image with a background that you want to remove. So all you have to do is just load that image, and once that image is loaded, you can actually remove the background right away. As you can see, within no time it's actually removed the background. You can download that onto your system. And the next section over here gives you the option to add the sub-user. So for instance, if you have got a business and if you have got multiple users, so you can actually create their user name and their own ID and give them their username and password. So for instance, I'm just gonna create a new username ID over here. So I've got this over here, and I'm just gonna put the mobile number here, the password in, and put that as test address 123. So once I submit, that user has been created. Now you can actually log in with this ID and password. All I have to do is just give the URL to my staff or my friend, and then you can use this email address and the password that I've generated, or the username and the password that I've just generated, and that will actually give them their own access, which is absolutely amazing. So let's just check if the video has been created on this. Is rendering. That will get ready in no time. So let me just go to the done for you edition right over here. So in this done for you edition, you can actually get started by creating the video from scratch. So I'm just gonna put that as DFY123 demo, and I'm just gonna put that as my image right over here. And once I do that, I'm just gonna put that as mail, and whatever content that you have right over here, say about hello, this is a message for men in their 40s to get fit and take care of their health. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that down, and I'm just gonna save the information over here, and again, that is going to create a video using my image and put the voice on that specific image. As the video is rendering, again, it'll take say about 10 to 30 minutes depending on how busy the server is, and that will get ready for you guys over there. So the next section is the automation video. So automation editor is right over here, and over here it lets you generate number of videos. So I will just put that down over here as demo automation 123 and upload my image over here. Number of videos, I can actually select that to maximum of 10 videos. So for demo purposes, I'm just going to show that as 1 over here, because the number of videos I create is going to take me to the list, and I will keep adding the number of videos right over here to 10. So I'm just gonna, I don't want to put more load on the server just now as I'm doing the demo. And right over here it gives me an option for male voice or female voice, and again I'm just gonna put that as this is a demo video for demo purpose only. Okay, and I'm gonna hit on save. The number of videos obviously you create, the number of video description you put with that image is going to give you different variations of that specific video. So once I hit on save, again, that will go to the gallery and that will get saved right over here as I'm in the gallery right now. And over here we have got the next section, which is for hashtag generator. So any keyword, you can actually generate amazing hashtags on that. So I'm just going to put that as health and fitness. And if I submit that, I get top trending hashtags, guys, 10 amazing hashtags. So fit life, healthy habits, fitness motivation, wellness journey, stay active, healthy lifestyle, body goals, exercise daily, mind body connection, health is wealth. So these are top trending hashtags. So you can create hashtags, generate hashtags in absolutely any niche. So the next option that I have over here is the one-click traffic booster. And over here, you can actually get started by posting your content using this particular section and boost your post. So over here, it gives you an option. You just need to type a message over here, browse the image or any video, put the link where you want to share the content, and publish the post. So with this, you can actually post multiple content using multiple posts. You've got settings, you can repost stuff. You've got post logs over here. You've got back to site right over here. So you have got several options that you can use in that specific section. So that's absolutely amazing. So I will move to the next section now. Done for you swipes and offers. So in this particular section, you have got all your swipes, all your links that you can promote and get 50% commissions on. So I would highly recommend you guys to use this particular section to promote these offers. These are like amazing offers that you can promote. So you can use the swipes using this particular section over here. So all your emails are done for you, ready to use. And then you can use any content subject line and use your affiliate link, get your affiliate link by this particular section, and it will automatically get approved for you guys. And or if it doesn't get approved, it can take up to say about 12 to 24 hours to get it approved. Once that is approved, you can get started by promoting that. And the next particular section that we have over here is the lead magnet section. So over here you can actually get started by generating the leads. Once you capture the leads, they're all going to be listed right over here. And once you have got your list ready, then you can use automation. And once your list is uploaded, you can use that to add that over here. So let me just put that as test list, and let me just submit that over here. Okay, so the list has been generated. If I want to export any list, so you can literally export the list over here by using this section over here. And once you export the list over here, that will actually give you an option to go to the automation section, create an automation, create a campaign, and you can literally add the campaign when you want to send an email. So just click on design an email, test email, save the automation, when you want to save the automation, and then again hit continue, and the email will be sent to your list immediately at this particular time. So that is how simple and easy it is for you guys to get started. And all you have to do is just export your list, and once you do that, you can start using the automation, and it will give you the insight on the queued emails, the email history, and the autoresponder setup. So you can use the autoresponder. If you have got your own autoresponder, put the API keys, and you can export your list on AI Face Fusion, and then use the automation of AI Face Fusion to promote your links and your offers to your audiences. And the SMTP setting is pretty standard over here. You can add a new profile. You can put the SMTP server details, and you can save them. Just fill in these details and they will be logged for you guys. Create campaign URLs. You can get started by creating the campaign URLs just by following these simple prompts over here. And once that is done, that will actually give you the option to view the generated URL, whatever generated URL you have listed right over here on the campaigns. And email templates, you've got all your email templates listed right over here. Verified users, analytics, again giving you the exact insight. We've got the ChatGPT edition over here, which is the OTO, SEO edition over here, and review edition over here. Support, if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch over here, and then you can log out from here. So back to the dashboard, guys. This is how simple and easy it is for you guys to get started with AI Face Fusion. All the best, and enjoy your video creation by using your images with the help of AI Face Fusion. Thank you and good luck.